Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be doing a super easy tutorial on Blender. Okay, so I'm going to firstly launch Blender, and you guys see this screen, I'm using 2.91 alpha, although this tutorial will be very valid if you're using 2.8 or higher. So you're going to click out of that main pop-up screen, and then you're going to be greeted with the default cube, default camera, and default light. If I want to go into camera view, so that's press 0 on the numpad, then I can see what the camera would see. Scroll in and out does the normal. But if I want to go out of camera view, I push down the middle scroll wheel, and then I can pan around it like this. I want to zoom in and out, normal scroll wheel. If I want to click on the object, I use left click, and if I want to select some of the options, I will select right click. But what if I want to add an else object? So I'm going to get rid of this default cube by hitting delete or backspace, whichever one you want. And then I'm going to use the shortcut Shift A. That is going to be able to add whatever you want. Normally you'll be going into mesh. So I'm going to add a monkey. This monkey is called Suzanne, I kid you not. There's another way to add a monkey if I just delete poor Suzanne. If I go to add mesh up here, and it gives me the same options. So what can I do with this monkey? So there are a few things you can do with it. You can make textures on it. So if I want to go into, this is the little options tabs. This one here is textures. If I want to add a new texture, I can make the base color, which is basically the color, I can make it blue, let's say. And now, but why is that not applying into the viewport here? I'm going to go hit Z or Z, wherever you're from, and then go to either rendered or material preview. Rendered will mean that it will only use that light up there. But what if I want to add a light? Well, it's the same as adding an object. I will go Shift A and then add, where am I going? Under there, I'm going to add, you can add a point light, a sunlight, a spotlight, or an area light. I'm going to add a point light, just because it's much easier to render. And then I can move it with G. G is a very useful shortcut. If I want to adjust the power of the light, I will have the light selected, and under the light settings, I can crank up the power to, let's say, 1000 watts, and then it'll be super bright. So remember, G moves around. Delete, deletes. So now we've got our nice rendered blue monkey here. But what if I actually don't like the texture of that monkey? Let's say I want it more metallic. There you go, there's a bit more metallicness to it. In the next tutorial I can show you how to get reflections, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See me next time for another super easy tutorial, possibly on Blender, possibly on DaVinci Resolve. If you want to check that one out, there's the card up here, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.